Everyone's talking about houses these days, buying, selling, and imagining what life could look like in a brand new place. Whether it's a cozy cottage, a bustling family home, or a sleek city apartment, the dream of finding the perfect spot is on everyone's mind. People are dreaming of something new, picturing fresh paint on the walls, a garden to call their own, or simply a change of scenery that brings new energy. The year 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal time for homebuyers and sellers alike. It's a year that promises change, opportunity, and perhaps a few surprises along the way. It's a bit like planning a grand day out. You need to prepare, check the forecast, and pack your bags with care. The journey to a new home is full of anticipation and a little bit of adventure. You'll want to measure your space, consider your needs, and make sure you're ready for surprises. People want more space, a better location, or a home that fits their changing lifestyle. For some, it's about a fresh start, a new chapter in a different neighborhood, or even a new city. After years of ups and downs, the housing market feels calmer, like the kettle's boiled and we're all waiting for that first cup of tea. There's a sense of patience, but also excitement in the air. Confidence is returning, and more folks are peeking at listings, scrolling through photos, and imagining themselves in new spaces. Others are putting up for sale signs, ready to pass the keys to someone new and start their own adventure. The big question, is it the right time for you? That depends on your needs, your dreams, and your local market. Timing can make all the difference. Some are finding great opportunities, jumping in with both feet and making deals that feel just right, while others are waiting to see what happens next, watching the market and weighing their options carefully. From bakeries to workshops, everyone's chatting about moving house, making 2025 a crucial year for real estate. Conversations are buzzing and advice is everywhere. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a seasoned seller, or just curious about what's possible, this year is full of possibilities. There's something for everyone, no matter where you are on your journey. So let's dive into the blueprints for the 2025 housing market and see what's in store. The adventure is just beginning, and your next home might be closer than you think. The 2025 housing market is a bit like wearing the wrong trousers. One leg's going up, the other down. It's a quirky, uneven ride, and depending on where you stand, your experience could be totally different from your neighbors. In some areas, prices are rising and sellers are thrilled. Homes are snapped up quickly, and bidding wars are back in style. In others, prices are dipping, giving buyers a chance. Here, open houses are less crowded, and buyers can take their time to make decisions. It's a split market, so there's no single story for the whole country. What's true in one city might be the opposite in another. You might hear one friend say it's a great time to sell, another to buy, and both could be right. It all depends on their local market, their timing, and even the type of home they're after. The market is stabilizing after a few wobbly years, making things more predictable for everyone. While the wild swings of the past are calming down, there's still plenty of movement beneath the surface. Why the split? Some cities have booming job markets and more buyers than homes, pushing prices up. In these places, demand is outpacing supply, and competition is fierce. Elsewhere, more homes are being built, or fewer people are moving in, so prices cool off. These areas offer more breathing room for buyers and less pressure to rush. This means you need to pay close attention to your local market, not just national headlines. What's happening in your neighborhood is what really matters for your next move. The big story of 2025. It's not boom or bust, but a patchwork of different trends. Each region, city, and even neighborhood can tell its own unique story. Careful planning and local research are more important than ever. Talk to local experts, check recent sales, and keep an eye on what's changing around you. Don't assume your market matches the national news. The headlines might not reflect your reality. Check which way your local trousers are walking, up or down. Are prices climbing, or is there a gentle slide? That's the key to making your next move. In 2025, success in real estate is all about understanding your own patch of the market and making decisions that fit your unique situation. Let's break down the numbers. No need for a complicated invention. Nationally, home prices might dip just a bit, about 0.9%, a gentle landing, not a crash. But remember, some hotspots will still see prices rise. Home sales are inching up, but the pace is slow, like waiting for a race to start. People are cautious, watching the economy and their wallets. Sellers need patience, buyers are taking their time. Mortgage rates have steadied, making it easier to plan your budget. Stable rates mean fewer surprises and more confidence for buyers. Inventory, homes for sale, is growing, especially in the West and South. More choices give buyers more power to compare and negotiate. Sellers face more competition, so pricing right is crucial. It's a market where patience and research pay off. Whether you're buying or selling, understanding these numbers helps you make smarter decisions. Think of it as sampling the cheese before you buy the whole wheel. Where are the hottest markets? Which cities are rising to the top, drawing in new residents and making headlines for their growth and livability? If this were a baking contest, McKinney, Texas would win the Star Baker Prize again. This city has become a symbol of what's possible when a community gets everything just right. For the third year running, McKinney tops the list of U.S. housing markets in 2025. Its consistent performance is no accident. There's a real recipe for success at work here. The Dallas-Fort Worth area is buzzing, with Richardson, Frisco, Denton, and Allen all in the top 10. These suburbs are thriving, each offering their own unique flavor and appeal. But it's not just Texas. Cary, North Carolina, Irvine, California, Durham, North Carolina, Gilbert, Arizona, and Nashville, Tennessee are also top picks. What's their secret? How do these cities keep drawing attention year after year? It's a perfect recipe: job growth, affordable homes, and strong communities. These ingredients blend together to create places where people want to live, work, and put down roots. These cities are growing smartly, building new homes and attracting new residents. They're not just expanding, they're planning for the future, making sure neighborhoods stay vibrant and welcoming. When a town gets the mix right, people notice and move in for a better quality of life. Families, young professionals, and retirees alike are all seeking that perfect blend of comfort and opportunity. It's not just about finding a house, it's about finding a home, a place where you feel you belong, where you can build memories and a future. For many, it feels like a matter of life and death, choosing the right place to put down roots. The stakes are high, and the rewards can be life-changing. These top cities offer the right balance of opportunity, value, and community. It's a delicate balance, but when it works, it creates a place people are proud to call home. From Dallas suburbs to North Carolina's green spaces, they're leading the way in 2025. Each city brings something special to the table, shaping the future of American living. They're the prize-winning loaves in the Great American Bake-Off. These cities have earned their place at the top thanks to their unique blend of ingredients. Everyone wants a taste of what these markets have to offer. The demand is real, and the excitement is growing as more people discover these standout communities. If you're looking to move, these are the places to watch. Whether you're searching for opportunity, affordability, or a sense of belonging, these cities are leading the pack. The secret? The right ingredients mixed just so. And in 2025, these cities have truly mastered the recipe for a thriving, welcoming community. What makes towns like McKinney, Texas so irresistible? First, affordability. Home prices are reasonable, even dipping a bit from last year. McKinney was named the most affordable city by experts, making it attractive for buyers. Next, jobs. McKinney boasts one of the highest job growth rates in the country, with new companies and big projects fueling confidence. New construction is booming, so there are plenty of modern homes to choose from. This keeps prices in check and options plentiful. Quality of life matters too. Good schools, parks, and a friendly vibe. These suburbs offer peace and quiet, plus big city excitement nearby. When a town combines affordability, jobs, new homes, and a great lifestyle, people flock there. That's why these places are booming in 2025. There's a migration underway. People are leaving crowded cities for the suburbs. Working from home means you don't need to live in a tiny city flat anymore. Texas is the main destination, with towns like Cypress, New Braunfels, Leander, and Katy topping the list. Affordable homes, jobs, and Texan hospitality are drawing people in. Suburbs are transforming into vibrant communities with shops, restaurants, and offices all in one place. Investors are betting big on this trend, building new homes and developments. As long as people want more space and a better lifestyle, the suburbs will keep growing. The next chapter of American life is unfolding in these leafy streets. It's not all smooth sailing. There are risks to watch. The biggest worry is the economy. If it slows and jobs are lost, fewer people will buy homes. Some areas may see prices fall, especially where demand is cooling. Buying in a declining market could mean losing money, so research your local area carefully. Construction delays are another risk. Materials can be hard to get, slowing new builds and raising costs. For buyers waiting on a new home, delays can be frustrating. Climate change is also a growing concern. Floods, wildfires, and storms can make insurance expensive or hard to get. A beautiful house in a risky area might not be worth the trouble. Always check for environmental risks before you buy. Even the best plans can run into trouble, so stay alert. Do your homework, plan for the unexpected, and protect your investment. The right move is a careful one. Keep your eyes open for cracks in the plaster. The rental market is changing too. It's finally taking a breather. After years of rising rents, growth is slowing down in 2025. Rent increases are hitting multi-year lows, giving renters some relief. Single-family home rents are expected to grow by just 2.5%, and apartment rents by only 1%. This is the slowest rent growth in years, offering stability for tenants. Landlords may see slower returns, but good properties in hot markets like McKinney will still attract tenants. The market is finding a new balance, more affordable and predictable for renters. This stability encourages landlords to offer better value and service. A calmer rental market is healthier for everyone. It creates a fairer relationship between landlords and tenants. Renters can plan ahead without fear of big jumps. Landlords can focus on quality and long-term tenants. In 2025, renting feels a little less stressful for everyone. Let's wrap up with the inventive trends shaping homes in 2025. The move to the suburbs is fueling a boom in renovations. People are upgrading instead of moving. Homeowners are adding extensions, modern kitchens, and home offices to boost value. Smart home technology is everywhere. Control your lights, heat, and security from your phone. Virtual tours make house hunting easier than ever. Green homes are in demand. Solar panels, great insulation, and water-saving systems are the new standard. Eco-friendly upgrades save money and help the planet. Builders and renovators are offering more sustainable options. Whether you're buying, selling, or renovating, 2025 is full of exciting possibilities. Do your research, get creative, and make your home work for you. Cheerio!